So you've spoken about the big market now that will be accessible with consumers who have disposable income and so on and so forth. What are the government's export projections over the next 3 to 5 years? And what modeling underpins them? Give us a number, give us some sort of a glide path.
Well, I think
that's going to be a headline.
Number will depend on the ability of our exporters to come up to speed and really get engaged with world markets. We have a very robust export promotion mission, which Prime Minister Narendra Modi had
I'm only
approved
asking
last
because
year.
we began...
And therefore, we are very convinced that our bilateral trade will grow to $500 billion. We'll see much more manufactured goods. We'll see much more services
what's
on
the
both
timeline,
sides.
sir? 3 years, 2 years?
No, in about 5 years or so, we should go up, 5-6 years or so, we should go up to $500 billion.
That's a big number. That's a big number.
That's 45 lakh crores.
That's 45 lakh crores
from
with
a
just
current
one country.
20 lakh crores or so.
And you've got the EU also on the other side and several other...
India is aspiring to be a $30 trillion economy. That's 8 times our current size. So clearly we'll have to engage with the best in the world from a position of strength with confidence in our abilities. And I don't think India fights shy of that anymore.
$500 billion question has been woven into this framework by Mr. Trump. And he says we've committed to specific purchase volumes. Look, I mean, our imports right now, total, are about $640 billion.
About 800 this year.
Yeah, okay.
On goods,
on
merchandise.
Goods, yeah.
Service imports
That's
of 200 more.
So, I mean,
almost $1 trillion.
How does this space out?
It's very simple.
What is it that we're going to...
The products which the US has a comparative advantage or the technical ability to supply are either high quality ICT products, data centers and AI and quantum computing machineries. They are precious metals. They have a lot of energy, LNG, LPG, crude oil. They have coking coal in big measure. They are in a position to supply very good aircrafts, their engines and their spare parts. So there's a whole set of universe of products where America has advantage in their ability to supply to India. Our current imports of these products is about $300 billion a year. And in the next 5 years, we estimate these products, given the rapid pace of expansion of demand in India, the fact that we are the fastest growing economy certainly leads to an increase in demand also. Our estimate is that we will need about $2 trillion of imports of these products in the next 5 years, cumulatively. And therefore, if we estimate or look at the American size of the economy at 30 trillion, 1/4 of the global economy, we can fairly justifiably expect that they should be in a position to supply about $500 billion of goods that we need. And all of these are products that we need in the country. For our rapid expansion and growth, we will need energy, we will need ICT products, we will need data centers in the country, we will need aeroplanes and aircraft to give a boost to domestic mobility and tourism and international travel. So we already have about $80-90 billion worth of aircrafts and its engines and spares that we have orders on America. We would like them to supply that quickly.